Unraveling the phrase, bouillon. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into an interesting word that might have caught your ear. Bouillon. While it might sound fancy, by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it. Let's get started. Bouillon is originally a French word, which directly translates to broth in English. In culinary contexts, bouillon is often a clear, flavorful broth made by simmering meat, fish, or vegetables in water. While it has its roots in French cuisine, bouillon has made its way into English kitchens and vocabularies as well. Here are some of the common uses. 1. Bouillon cube. A small, compressed cube of dehydrated broth or stock. Just drop it into hot water, and you have an instant broth ready. 2. Chicken or beef bouillon. This typically refers to a clear broth made from simmering chicken or beef. It's often used as a base for other soups or recipes. 3. Phrases. Sometimes you might hear someone say, "Let's boil it down to the bouillon," which metaphorically means, let's get to the core or essence of something. Although not extremely common, it's a fun play on words given that bouillon is essentially the core flavor of the ingredient it's made from. Though we're avoiding phonetic transcriptions, it's worth noting that bouillon is pronounced quite similarly to its French origin. It sounds like bouillon. Don't stress too much. With practice, you'll nail it. And there we have it, bouillon. From a flavorful broth in a French kitchen to an interesting addition to our English vocabulary. Next time you hear or see the word, you'll know exactly what it means. We hope this has been informative, and remember, language learning is a simmering process, much like making a good bouillon. Happy learning!